good, YouTube? What is good? It's your boy, Young Dollar, and today I'm whispering because we is about to prank the Emoji Princess, guys. We is about to prank the Emoji Princess. We're gonna tell her that my dog coughed up some blood. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna say that Stormy, my dog over there, coughed up some blood. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. You ready for this prank? You ready? Let's get it, man. I'm gonna put hot sauce on the floor, but I think she know how it smell. But it's alright. Yeah, we got it all ganged up. We got it all ganged up. Let's get it, man. Set the camera up. So guys, we're trying to get her full reaction. Let's get it, man. London, Stormy just coughed up some blood. Come here. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is not a prank. No, it's not. Hey y'all. The camera not even on, bruh. It's not even on. Oh my god, it's a prank, bro. Ah! Dang! Dang, I made a mistake and said it was a prank in front of her face, bro. Man. Oh my god. I knew it was a prank. We failed, so be easy, gang. Yeah.